You might want this on your ride around the village.
Give me my purse.
You don't need your purse. You already have your card. Can't get you out of here. Your castle! What happened to your castle? We need to catch whoever did this.
You knocked down my castle.
No, he did not. He was just sitting there, remember? He's one of your servants. Let's put up signs to see who will find him.